Today we will configure the Smart Apply Smart Intelligent Spray Control System. Tools needed are a notepad or tablet, writing utensils, tape measure, string or streamer, and a measuring pole. The following measurements will be taken. You will first take a measurement from the center of the LiDAR screen to your nozzles or center of dual nozzles. Next, measure the height of the LiDAR to the ground. Take a measurement from the center of the LiDAR to the center of the GPS unit. Measure the GPS offset from the LiDAR. For a more accurate reading, a measurement can be taken from the center of each mount. When looking at the LiDAR, anything to the right of the LiDAR is entered as a negative number value, and anything to the left is entered as a positive number value. Think of your sprayer on a coordinate system for LiDAR to GPS offset. Measure the height of the GPS at operating height. For GPS to nozzle, take your LiDAR to nozzle measurement and subtract the LiDAR to GPS measurement for that value. Lastly, you will get the spray height data for the nozzle setup. To do so, attach a streamer to each nozzle. Park the machine away from a pole or tree, the same distance you would drive through the rows. Notice the attached streamers show the path of each nozzle. In a safe place out of the air blast, and with the spray nozzles off, use a marking pole to reference spray height data for the nozzle setup. Measure the top and bottom spray height for the first nozzle. Next, measure the top height of the next nozzle. The previous nozzle's top height will be the next nozzle's bottom height. Continue until all nozzle top and bottom height measurements are taken. Now you are ready to test your configuration at the speed you normally spray at. If you are spraying too high, it is recommended to raise all nozzle values by 10 inches until you reach the desired spray height. If your sprayer is spraying too low, lower all of the nozzle values by the same amount. It is recommended to change them 10 inches at a time. If your nozzles are activating while at the tree, shorten the GPS and LiDAR to nozzle by the same amount. If the nozzles activate before the tree, add length to your GPS and LiDAR to nozzle measurement by the same amount.